Hey guys, so Dave Portnoy, basically 15 minutes ago, launched his token. The interesting part that he hasn't tweeted about it, but you can see from his wallet that he actually basically launched it. And if he was early, you could buy in the first few seconds. That's why I'm always telling you, you can track his wallet, you can track tweets, you can track everything. What you want to do is go on BullX. If you are not on BullX, the invite link is in the description and in the comment section. This is invite only. You basically go on this platform. You go to wallet tracker. Here you basically add wallet. And where you can find his wallet is here. Go on callscan.io. And it is easy. You just search by Dave Portnoy. Here you will be able to copy. Here you basically press, just click and you copy his wallet. You go here back, add wallet, enter his name, enter wallet address, and I already have his wallet, that's why I won't add, but here you basically can add his wallet and track him. Every time he does a new transaction, buys a token, sells a token, creates a token, you will see that he created, so he created Greed 3, and he hasn't yet tweeted and posted about it. If he posts about it, it will most likely go to, I don't know, 1 million, 2 million. I mean, it is already at 2 million, so it might go to 5 million, 10 million. I wasn't at home, that's why I didn't catch this early. But again, this is a way, this is the alpha. That's why tracking wallets, and especially you can go on CallScan, you can find different people, celebrities like Dave Portnoy, and he isn't hiding his wallet because you already know he will be making profits. And if you are early and if you track his wallet, you will be definitely early. That's why, yeah, go basically install, go on a BullX. This is invite only. The link is in the description. Sign up, fund your wallet. And this is much faster. You can basically set your own gas fees right here. You can set your buy priority fees, your buy bribe, sell bribe. Which means that if people are buying with Phantom Wallet, they cannot edit their gas fees. And when thousands of people are buying and selling, if you want to sell before everyone else or buy before everyone else, you can set your automatic sales. For example, it goes 10% down, you are selling, or it goes 30% up and you are automatically selling even in your sleep. And you can set your gas fees higher. Because there are thousands of people buying and selling with Phantom wallets or on Jupiter or Radium, but this BullX platform lets you edit your gas fees, so you are competing effectively and you are buying and selling before everyone else. So you basically don't get dumped on by other people. And again, congrats everyone that watched my videos, because I am talking about this wallet tracking, tweet tracking, but this time he didn't tweet anything about greed. He just created, and many people are starting to tweet about it. If you go this, you write Greed 3 and latest, you will see many people are talking about it. Many huge profiles are already creating basically content around this, and that's how the price goes up. You don't want to be left basically hanging after everyone else is buying and tweeting, because it is really bullish. People now are waiting for him to tweet. I bought in late. I still think he will tweet about this and the price will go up, because this 15 minutes in, not many people have bought. Markets are really bad, really down, but I still think there is a profit to be made. This video is not a financial advice. High risk play. Invest only that you can afford to lose. And again, BullX is the platform where you can track tweets, you can track wallets. And in days like these, you will reap the rewards. If we come to a huge crypto bull run, crypto euphoria, and I still think 2025 will be the year, because Trump is doing basically imposing tariffs, and what will happen is that Fed will cut rates. They already announced that they will cut rates heavy, which means that liquidity will be going up. maybe even money printing, because the crisis brings out the money printer. That's why I am really bullish on this dump. And I think we will have a great crypto summit in 3 days, and there will be Bitcoin reserves announced. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you find this valuable. If you find it valuable, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.